Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 2. We are learning Unit 6. Its title is A Cultural Show in School. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today under the title of Read and Think, we are going to read coins and currency notes. Before this, in English for grade 1, I have taught you how to write numbers. Remember? 1, 2, 3. Remember, we have learnt it. If you don't remember, you can watch this video lecture again. And today we are going to learn further to read familiar words appearing on a variety of reading material such as food labels, advertisement, coins and currency notes is our today's focus from this SLO. Okay, let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah At-Tawbah, verse 34. And those who hoard gold and silver and spend it not in the way of Allah, give them tidings of painful punishment. Yes, my dear students, what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is telling us. Whoever keeps collecting, hoarding gold, silver, money, and don't spend it in the way of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Allah is going to punish that person. So what we are learning, we should spend whatever we have in the way of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Because you are too young, you might not have gold or silver, but whenever you have money, you can give it in charity. Spend it in the way of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Even better, if you have little money, you can give it to a needy person. And what we are going to do by doing this? Allah will be happy with us. And you know better, when we spend in the way of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Allah gives us more, right? So we should not keep our money collecting. We should spend it in the way of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, right? So we are going to learn about money today. So first you tell me, what are currency notes? Do you know what are currency notes? And which highest value currency note do you know? Pause the video, answer these two questions to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear students, I hope you have mentioned about currency notes. Okay, I'm going to show you. These are currency notes of Pakistan. Every country have different notes, okay? So these are notes, these are currency notes of our country. And we do have coins as well, all right? So these are known as currency notes. And where do we use it? Whenever we want to buy something, we give money and we take the things we need, okay? Now, beta, we should know the value of money, because if you are going to buy something, definitely it has a cost, it has a price. So how much we have to pay for that? We should know which note has what value, okay? So we are going to learn it. Few you might have learned. So what is the value of this note? It's written here in numbers, 10. It is 10 rupees note. And do you know it's written in words as well? Have you ever noticed? When you turn it back, it's written here 10 rupees. It is written in words. So what is the value of this note? 10. It's written here 10. And we know how to read and write 10, right? So it is 10 rupees currency note of Pakistan. All right. So look at this. What is the value of this note? It's written here 20. And it's written here as well, 20 rupees. All right. The next is 50. 50 rupees. Right? And it's written in Urdu as well, beta. You can read from here as well. It's written in English, it's written in Urdu, and it's written in numbers. Okay. So you know all these now. Okay. The next is 100. And it's written here, 100 rupees. 500 rupees, okay? 1,000 rupees, and 5,000. This is the highest value currency note in Pakistan. Its value is 5,000. 5,000 rupees. a big amount. Okay, so have you seen it? All right, maybe yes. So beta, this is how when we look at note, we can find its value in numbers and in words. 5,000 rupees. Okay, and here are a few coins. It's also mentioned here 1 rupee, 2 rupee and 5 rupees. Okay, so whenever it's a rule, whenever you are using currency, its value is written on it. Okay, so you have to find it, what is the value of this note or this coin. Can you find it now? Good. So let's practice it through an activity. And what this activity is, very simple. Teacher will show some coins and currency notes, and students will tell how to read the value of that coin or currency note. Okay, teachers, you can take the original and keep calling the student and showing them and asking them where it's written in numbers and in words. Okay, pause the video, enjoy this activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. Now it's time to practice from your book. You have seen all these notes and you know their values. You will write their value over here. The place which is given in your book, you will write its value in words. Okay, first one is done for you. It's 10, it's 20, 50, 100, so on. All right, and there are tickets. Beta, these tickets are known as postal tickets. Whenever the way we want to buy something, we use currency notes. We use stamps, tickets when we want to use the postal facilities. Whenever you want to post a letter or a gift, you need to put a stamp on that which differs in value. Okay, so its value is also written here. 10, 20, and it's also 20. All right, and there are many more. So we have just brought it for you. If you want to find more about it, you can go to post office with your baba or your mama or your elder brother and find out different stamps over there. So for now, you will pause the video and you will complete this page and these tickets in your book, and then you will come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. So it's time for your homework. You will observe and write value of 5 currency notes and 3 coins. This is your homework. And my dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide printed worksheet to students for practice. And children, my dear students, what you are going to do, you will find how much money is it, okay? So in every row you will find and you will write it over here. So in this way, what we have learned today, we learned to read words appearing on currency notes and coins. So we achieved our SLO to read familiar words appearing on a variety of reading material, such as food labels and advertisement we'll do some other day, coins and currency notes, we just did it. That's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.